Spiritual Reaching Out Plan, Team Commission, paid weekly. This is great news. We are not only feeling better, staying positive and healthy, but we are also allowing ourselves to earn income while sharing spiritual water with others. And one of those amazing ways to earn income is with the Team Commissions, which are also called the Reaching Out Spiritual Plan. One of the things that make the Team Commission so powerful is through our Team Commissions you can help others while helping yourself. When you share spiritual water with others who also become distributors, you can earn our Reaching Out Spiritual Commissions on their sales too. And since our downline level is unlimited, you can personally enroll as many distributors as you want and earn commissions on their sales too. And also earn commissions on the distributors that they enroll and the distributors that they enroll, and so on. The spiritual plan expands to 8 dynamic levels. You can have an unlimited amount of distributors on any level. As a distributor, your focus will be on building your organization of distributors and helping others to succeed in life, while they help you succeed too. It's team effort. Let me show you how it works. When you join up, you are on the top level of your downline. Now let's say you sponsor Joe, Mike, Brian, Maria and Jennifer. For every case they purchase, you will earn $10 commission. When Joe, Mike, Brian, Maria and Jennifer sponsor their own 5 distributors, they will earn $10 for every case purchased, and you will earn $4 from every case they purchase. When their distributors get their own 5 distributors, then Joe, Mike, Brian, Maria and Jennifer will earn $4 commission on every case they purchase, and you will earn $3 for every case. This continues through 8 dynamic levels of distributors. You can earn $2 on your 4th level, $1 on your 5th, $1 on your 6th and an additional $1 on both your 7th and 8th levels depending on your qualifications. With this simple example, you can see how your team commissions can easily grow and continue to multiply itself. If you just enroll 5 distributors and each one of them enroll 5 distributors, which you know won't be that hard to do just by sharing the spiritual water with family, friends, co-workers, church members, etc. Just calculate if each one of your downline distributors just purchases 1 case per month. How many cases commission will you earn? Just imagine what will happen if the distributors in your downline purchase more than 1 case, which most of them will do, but we want to be conservative and take the minimum usage for our examples. With spiritual water, you have an opportunity to reach up to a 6-figure income. So how do you become eligible to start earning your team commissions? Let's see. First, you have to be active and then you have to be qualified. Let's look at what active means. Being active simply means that you are purchasing a minimum of 1 case every month, which is equal to 100 PV. PV is your personal volume. Being active also allows you to accumulate points on your downline from week to week. When you are active, you never lose any points from any sales in your downline. And the easiest way to stay active is to get an auto ship, which means that your order will always get processed and delivered to you every month. This way you won't forget to order, you won't lose any points, and you will always stay active. As for being qualified, this means that you will be active with 200 PV per month and have at least 1 personally sponsored active distributor in your downline. One of the best features of the team commissions is that it pays weekly with a direct deposit to your personalized Spiritual Water debit card. Spiritual Water. Pray, drink, share.